Second video ngayong gabi. As of you all know, I'm also a fan of X-Love. So, meron silang nilabas na new song called The Rules. I think May 7. So, it has 62k likes and 307,288 views. So, please, let's give them love and support them. I love these queens. So please, this is their second mini album called I God. Though it will be releasing on May 27, 2026, Wednesday, 6 p.m. in Korean time. And please follow their social medias here, like Kuya J, Sinara, and so on. So, wait. Iba pala na yung screen recording. Ooh. Wala. Paano nangyari eh? What happened? Ayun. Ako nga pala si... Hey. So, The Rules by X-Love. So, my bias is Mother Womoti, the leader, and my bias tracker is, I think, Rue. Tignan natin kung sino ulit. Pawn.
The weakest piece of the chessboard. They cannot step back. They can only move forward.
Okay. Haru. Oh, shit. Oh. Haru.
When a pawn reaches the end of the board, it can be
Ayun.
as anything it chooses to do.
Okay. I love this vibe sa kanila. Okay. Masculine, but still feminine. Still queen. The most insignificant.
A pawn reaching the edge of the wall. It can choose its fate and be reborn.
Oh, fuck.
Enjoy competitive odds and
That's just their what they call this? Sneak peek. But man, the trailer is amazing. So, naghintay pa ng ilang days. Shit! My Mother Motomi! Momuti! Hindi lang kasi ako nakapunta ng concert. Wala talaga yung pera ko naubos. Kasi nga, nanood ako ng con ng SB19. Pero ayos lang din, worth it. Kulang pa kayo binayad. Okay, so, yung plan ko kasi dapat talaga na mauuna yung hindi ako manonood ng ibang con kung hindi ko pa napapadala ng SB19. So, sila talaga ang kinaadigan ko, naging avid fan talaga ng SB19. So, that's my rule. And kahit manonood lang ako ng ibang con pag andun, napanood ko na sila. And napanood ko na sila, so ready na ako sa tatlo ba? Kasi yung isa mag-concert din yung G22 is hindi ko ako nakabili kasi nga butas pa yung balsa ko noon. Wala pa talaga. nagtitipid ako noon kasi nga mag-ano pa ako nung 18. Gano'n sila pagkatapos ng pre-sale ng ticket. Sige nga, paano nga? So, naghanap ako ng trabaho, mag-ipon ako, tigilan ang mga pagbili-bili, paggastos. Mag-ipon ka para sa mga concert. 3 yan. Ay, hindi, magiging 5 yan. 6, tas SB19. SB19, G22, Ahok, X-Love, so, si J2X, then Sonara, 6 yan. Sana, please. So, thank you for watching!